Hello guys, welcome to Pepcoding. In this video, we are going to learn how we can find subsets of an array. So let's go to the whiteboard, understand first what's the question is. So we'll be given an array. So here is our array of sizes 3 here, and we have to find the subsets for this array. Okay, before going further, first let's find how many possible subsets for this array. So for that, what we can do 2 to the power size. Here size is 2 to the power 3. So total number of subsets is going to be 8. So what we are going to do here, we are going to see 8 subsets of this array one by one. So the first possible one is dash dash dash. The next could be dash dash 30 dash 20 30 dash 20 dash. Okay, next could be dash 20 and 30. 10 dash dash 10 dash 30 10 20 and dash, and the last could be 10 20 and 30. Let's mark them. So this is 0 number subset, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So as we find that earlier, that total possible number of subsets is going to be 8, and here it is. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to write the binary form of these numbers. Okay, so that I can give you a little comparison. So watch it. For 0, there is going to be 000, and of course I am going to write in up to 3 digits. So here 0 0 1 4 2, it is going to be 0 1 0. For 3, 0 1 1. 4, this is going to be 1 0 0. For 5, this is going to be 1 0 1. For 6, this is going to be 1 1 0. And for 7, this is going to be 111. So all done. So what I am going to show here is, see, wherever 0, we have marked dash over there. See, here is 0, here is 0, we have marked dash over there. So what about these numbers, how they came? Okay, so see, let's target this. So here 1 has come in the first index. So what we have done here, this is 0 1 2. So we came to the original array and checked what's in the first array, and it is 20 now. So what we will do here, we will write 20, and see, here is again 1. So what we will do, we will check what's the index of this one. It is 2. What's in the 2 second index of the original array? It's 30. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write 30 over here. So it is quite obvious. For 0, we are going to put dash, and for 1, we are going to check the index, and comparatively, we are going to print the digits. So our approach is going to be very clear. First, we are going to find total number of subsets, and for every number till total number of subsets, we are going to find binary form, and then by using that binary form, we are going to create our subset. So this is going to be the full approach. Let's code this. Let's do in the full screen mode. So the first thing, we need to know the size of our list. Let's take the input from the user. Now define a list. For I in range element equals to int input list dot append element. Now we'll call the function, just say print subsets, and we'll pass him list. So now our print subset function is going to print my subset. Let's define the function def print subsets list. Okay, so the first thing we need to know here is the size of our list. That is going to be length of list. Perfect. Now the next thing is total number of subset, and for that what we need to do, 2 to the power what n. Okay, now we will start a for loop in range 0 comma total number of subset. So the thing is, using this for loop I'm going to pass value from 0 to total number of subset one by one, and we to this function called decimal to binary, and we will pass him I and n. And what this function is going to do, this is going to return me a list which is having binary format of I up to n digits. Okay, so let's complete this. Now we have our binary in list 1, so I have to iterate in list 1 for j in range 0 comma n. So first thing that I'm going to check, if list 1 of j equals to 0, it means I need to print their dash. So print that. Now it is done. Now next thing, if it is not 0, it means there is going to be 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to print the value of that index from original array. So what's my original array? List of j and some space of size tab, and just don't change the line, and equals to, and here also we don't need to change the line, so I'm going to do this. All set. Now after printing a subset we need to change the line. So all set. As I now we need to discuss another thing, that is what is decimal to binary function. So let's define this function def decimal to binary, and we'll pass him digit whose binary format we want and up to what digit, and just say this length L. Okay, so let's understand one more thing here. If there is a number 5 and we want the binary form of this, how we can get this? First we have to divide this with 2. So quotient is going to be 2 and remainder is 1. I divide again, quotient is 1, remainder is 0. The last thing, quotient is 0, remainder is 1. So if you want the binary format, you have to iterate from down to top. So you will get 1 0 1. This one is here, this 0 is here, and this one is here. So you have to print this. So how you can do this? For that you need to use a function called insert. See how. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to initialize a list, and every time when I'm getting a reminder, I'm going to insert that reminder, insert that reminder in 0th index. Why I'm doing so? See, when first time I'm getting 1, what I will do, I will just insert that. The next time when I will insert 0 here, 0 will insert it to 0th index, and left of the and left thing and thing that was left will going to shift to the right. So this is going to be happen, and when this one will come, then 1 is going to be at 0th index, and these things are going to be shifted to the right. So this is how we are going to achieve binary from this function. So let's do this. Okay, first thing is define a list Now we want our binary form up to L digit, right? So L needs to be greater than 0. First thing is a reminder how we can get that. Reminder is going to be that digit modulo 2. And now you need to change that digit, right? So digit is going to divided by 2. Now your task is to insert that reminder to list. At which index? 0th index. And the last, reduce the size of L by -1. And lastly, your binary form has been completed. So just return the list. So thing has been done. Okay, let's run this. So I'm sure that I'm going to get an error, but let's see how. See, I'm getting a wrong answer, but let me show you one thing here. See, if you look closely, you will see that both the output are same, but it is showing the wrong answer. You know why? See, it is showing the wrong answer and output is totally same. The thing which is wrong here is after every position we need to change a tab space, but here we have changed more than tab space. You wanna see how? See, just say this is a list and I'm going to put here an underscore. See what output you will see here. See, we haven't put any space after this value, right? But still I'm getting here a space. So to manage that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a format here. For that, just do this, and whatever value you want, just put that in curly braces, list of j, and close the curly braces, and then put your /tab space. Now run this. See, it is accepting. Let's submit this. So it is running for all the test cases. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and comment. Thank you.